Welcome back. There's a weekly chart. We have our defined range. Now someone will ask, why didn't I use this top part? It is because right here price went into another block, came back, confirmed the move down. So the price above this line is insignificant. Why? Because this is the price the markets wanted to protect. So I'm not demarcating from up to down because price is no way gonna go there magically. No, it has to first get deep into these levels and then so the line I was telling you about is right here or below here. You see that? Just right below this, just down here. So same concept with the swing lows and the swing highs. You expect it to go down. Here above you have a supply zone. Price is not going to return there. It's not. So your focus is where you zoom in. You have this supply zone. Oh, sorry, zoom out. You have this supply zone. There is an imbalance there. You have this order block formed. Okay, so we may not see price coming back and then going down further. We might not see price coming all the way up here to go down. Why? Because there's an objective to be met. Okay, this fair value gap can be used at a later stage for retracement purposes as price will be reaching up. So right now our focus is going way down. So what are we going to do? We want an entry, David. We want an entry. We want to find an entry. We are going to use let's see how the daily is. First, let's demarcate a point of interest. You want to be marking your point of interest every time there is that point of interest. Since I have a liquidity void, I have an imbalance there, which is a fair value gap. I'll just take that as my point of what? Interest. And then back to the daily. Okay, and this is a rejection block. You're seeing price coming down. So price came, it didn't mitigate. It tried to, but it didn't mitigate here. So we may see price return here. It went down, it mitigated this order block. As you can see, this order block price came right there, went down. Here it came just a little bit 50%, but not exactly 50% of this. And then what did it do? Went down. So my expectations are still bearish. Okay, my expectations are still bearish. So what I want to see, I'm going to single out this order block. After I've singled it out, this is a supply zone, right? This is a supply zone. If price was to break above or was to close above this order block, it means price is seeking for higher liquidity. Okay, price will be seeking for higher liquidity. So, but I'm not expecting price to go above this line. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put a a Henry danger line. Oh, sorry, I'm going to put a red line there, meaning I'm not expecting price to go all the way up to come down, because we are near this level. Okay, we are near this level. This is where the monthly equilibrium is, and I told you to be looking out for this low. Okay, so I want to see price go. So I am not buying yet. I'm not interested in buying. I'm more interested in selling until we reach either that maroon line or this. So in between 1.28 and 1.26, that's where I can be interested in buying this market, or that's where you should be interested in buying this market going upward. So you have mini supplies and mini demands, but right now that's not important. So meaning this coming week you experience some form of bullishness. By that, for that to be true, in other words, I'm trying to advise you not to trade on Monday this pair, but to just watch it. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay. So this is a bullish candle, meaning this, sorry, this, okay, it's a bullish candle. This is our last bearish candle. This is a bullish candle, so this is the order block. So we can see price open. So since price didn't close below this order block, oh sorry, this is an order block, and price closed within. So when we go up, we may see price return into this order block and then go higher, but should not go beyond this. So what am I waiting for, or what should you be looking out for? You are looking out for a candle to close bullish so that this becomes a swing high, and then you expect to buy on a short-term basis. Okay, on a short-term basis, you expect to buy to that level. You expect to buy to that level, but I'll be more concentrated in selling. So instead of wasting my energy to buy to this level, I'd rather wait for it to come up and then sell off. Okay, my battery is kind of low, but yeah, there's nothing I can do. Yeah, I'd rather wait for it and then sell. So this is a potential swing high. So once Monday's price breaks that low there, market opens and breaks this low, just know that we are not going up, we are not coming back to this order block, or rather supply zone as others would look at it. Okay, just know that's not happening. Once we just break this price level, so when a break happens, if let's say tomorrow price was to trade through this low, okay, I've already told you this is a bullish order, this is a bullish candle. So I'll have to wait price to retrace to this low, the 33.1715, and then I'll be looking to be a seller there. Yeah, going downwards. In other words, you're waiting for price to break this low. If it breaks it, you are a seller. That's Monday, meaning Tuesday you are a seller, or even Monday itself. It can break it, retrace back. But if it breaks it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you are a seller. But if it fails to break it on Monday or Tuesday, yeah, if it fails to break it on Monday and it closes up on Monday, it closes upward. If it does not trade down, so if it remains low, meaning a swing low would have been formed. So Tuesday you wait for the third candle to be traded through, and you are a bullish short term to somewhere here. Okay, but when that happens, you are waiting to be a seller once price reaches this order block going down. So it's not immediately once price reaches that order block and then you sell. No, you have to wait for a confirmation. So that specific order block we are looking at is right here, this one here. So when price trades through, or when price trades to this, it goes up to this, you will wait for price to go down and then come back to that level. In other words, what you'll be looking for is a situation like this. It's a situation like this. Here you have another block, price goes down, it trades through another block. So if you sold here, meaning you have to be disappointed a little bit. Okay, why? Because price has to come back. So you wait for price to return the second time, the second test, the second touch. Okay, price will always come back. There's another block, right? Price will trade in that other block, confirming your entry or confirming that what you're looking at is correct. Price is selling, but you don't sell right away. You wait for price to go down and then come back to your level. When it comes back, you sell. So this price has not been mitigated, or this order block has not been mitigated. Okay, I'm not here to talk about mitigation. I'm just blending in the two, but I'll talk about it as the battery gets better, though we don't have electricity. Yeah, tomorrow just. So when price is mitigated here, so this is why I'm very much confident that price is going to sell off from this order block heading downwards. Okay, so there's another block here. Price has used that order block to have a push up, but if it fails to reach higher price levels, meaning you have the Asian range and then price will pull out a retest on the Asian range and then boom, you see price flying higher to reach this level. When it reaches this level, then be my guest to sell. If the opposite happens, where price fails to push high or higher, or if it goes up to this level, which level? 3 point, yeah, the reason why I'm calling it a level, it is because someone will call it a supply zone, and me, I'm just looking at liquidity. Okay, I'm just looking at what? Liquidity. Those are relatively equal highs, even here, but this is much more money. So if price was to come here, trade down, break this line, then my friend, I'll be waiting for price to trade back into this order block. This order block now coming from down, trades into that level and sell off, or just right here and then sells off. So that depends on how Monday will be. Thank you. I'll make others as my battery gets better. So I need questions. Yeah, I need questions on how you really think things are not clear.